Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing fit and cleaning the door channel so the seal will bond properly. Remove the old strip, scrape adhesive, and wipe with rubbing alcohol until the surface is dry. Once done, lay the new weather strip along the frame to confirm orientation and length, trimming 1/2 inch for corners. Make sure to keep tools handy, adhesive, scissors, and masking tape, because you'll apply adhesive quickly next to prevent contamination and ensure even adhesion. You apply a thin, continuous bead of adhesive into the channel. Less is more to avoid squeeze out. Once applied, press the strip starting at the hinge end and work toward the latch, aligning the bulb or flange for an even seal. Make sure to push firmly every 2-3 inches so the adhesive bonds fully. If you encounter corners, fold or cut tiny relief slits and butt the edges. Finally, use masking tape to hold the strip in place while the adhesive skins over. You finish by trimming any excess flush with the door end and leaving a small compression gap near the latch so the seal compresses correctly. Once trimmed, remove masking tape and let the adhesive cure as instructed, typically from 1 hour to overnight depending on product. If you notice wind noise or water intrusion, inspect for gaps or lifted sections. Press the area, apply a tiny bead of adhesive, or replace the misaligned portion. For persistent leaks, check door alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.